Let me ask you something. If you lost your job tomorrow, how long could you survive financially? 1 month? Maybe 2? For most people, the answer is terrifying, because most people have exactly one income stream: their salary. And the moment that single stream dries up, everything stops. Now here is what nobody talks about. The average millionaire does not have one income stream. They do not even have 2 or 3. Research consistently shows that the average self-made millionaire has 7 distinct income streams working simultaneously. 7, while most people are guarding 1. And here's the part that changes everything. Most of those 7 streams do not require them to trade more time for more money. They run whether the millionaire is working, sleeping, traveling, or spending time with their family. Today, Kasongo is going to walk you through all 7 of those income streams: what they are, how they work, how millionaires use them, and most importantly, how you can start building yours starting today. Let us get into it. Welcome back to the channel where we break down exactly how money works so you can make it work for you. I am Kasongo. If you are new here, hit subscribe and the bell, because every week we drop content that your school, your employer, and your bank probably wish you never found. Today, we are covering the 7 income streams that millionaires build and maintain. By the end of this video, you will know exactly what each stream is, how it works, and which one you should start building first based on where you are right now. Let us go. Before we get into the 7 streams, let me give you the context that makes this whole conversation make sense. A study of over 1,200 self-made millionaires found that not a single one of them built their wealth from one income source alone. Not one. The average person has 1.8 income streams. The average millionaire has 7. That gap is not a coincidence. It is a strategy. And here's the key insight. These 7 streams are not random. They fall into specific categories. Some require your active time and energy. Some run completely on autopilot. The goal of every millionaire is to gradually shift the balance from active to passive over time. By the end of this video, you will understand exactly where to start and exactly how to build toward all 7, even if you are starting from 0 right now. Stream number 1, earned income. This is the foundation. The one stream almost everyone starts with, and the one most people never evolve beyond. Earned income is money you receive in direct exchange for your time and skills. Your salary, your freelance fees, your consulting rate, your hourly wage. If you stop working, this stream stops paying. That is the defining characteristic. Now here is how millionaires think about earned income differently than everyone else. For most people, earned income is the destination. Get a job, earn a salary, repeat until retirement. For millionaires, earned income is just the starting point. It is the fuel they use to build every other stream on this list. The goal of earned income is not to earn more of it forever. The goal is to earn enough of it to invest in streams that eventually replace it. But here is the important nuance. Do not underestimate earned income. A highly skilled professional, a top salesperson, or a premium consultant can earn enough in this one stream to fund multiple other streams simultaneously. Your first job is to maximize what you earn per hour. Your second job is to immediately deploy that income into the other 6 streams we are about to discuss. Stream number 2, business income. If earned income is trading your time once, business income is building a system that trades value repeatedly without requiring your time every single time. The fundamental difference between a job and a business is leverage. In a job, you are the product. In a business, you build the system that delivers the product, and systems can run without you. Now, I know what some of you are thinking. I am not an entrepreneur. Starting a business is risky. I would not even know where to start. And those are fair thoughts, but consider this. In today's economy, a business does not have to be a physical store or a company with employees. A business can be a YouTube channel, monetized through ads and sponsorships. It can be a one-person consulting practice. It can be a digital course teaching a skill you already have. It can be a service you offer on weekends to local clients. The key is that a business generates income not just from your hours, but from the value the system creates. And over time, as you document your processes, hire help, and automate systems, the business increasingly runs without you. That is when business income becomes one of the most powerful wealth-building engines on this entire list. Stream number 3, interest income. This is the stream that most people have access to right now, but are completely ignoring. Interest income is money earned from lending your money to banks, governments, or other institutions in exchange for regular interest payments. Savings accounts, certificates of deposit, money market accounts, bonds, and treasury bills all fall into this category. Now, most people dismiss this stream because traditional savings accounts pay almost nothing. And for a long time, that was fair criticism. But here is what changed. High-yield savings accounts now regularly pay 4 to 5% annual interest or higher. On $100,000, that is $4,000 to $5,000 per year in completely passive income. Money deposited and forgotten, quietly compounding every single month. Millionaires use this stream as a base layer. It is not their highest returning stream, but it is their safest and most predictable. Every dollar sitting in a regular savings account, earning 0.01%, is a dollar that could be in a high-yield account, earning 50 times that amount. The action step is simple. Open a high-yield savings account today. Move your emergency fund into it. Start earning interest on money you already have. Stream number 4, dividend income. This is one of my personal favorites on this list, and I will tell you exactly why in a moment. Dividend income is money paid to you regularly, simply for owning shares of profitable companies. When a company earns profits, it has two choices: reinvest those profits back into growing the business, or distribute a portion of those profits to its shareholders as dividends. Many of the largest, most stable companies in the world do both. Here is why this is special. You buy the shares once, and then every single quarter, sometimes every month, the company deposits money directly into your brokerage account. You do nothing. The company does the work. You collect a share of the profits. Now, the numbers start small. $50,000 invested in dividend stocks at a 4% yield generates $2,000 per year, or about $166 per month. That might not sound life-changing today, but here is the compounding magic. If you reinvest those dividends back into more shares, and those shares pay more dividends, and you keep adding capital over time, dividend income can eventually replace a full salary. That is not theory, that is mathematics. And it is exactly what patient millionaires have been doing quietly for decades. Stream number 5, rental income. Real estate has created more millionaires throughout history than almost any other asset class. And the reason comes down to one word: leverage. Rental income is money paid to you by tenants in exchange for the use of a property you own. The beautiful mechanism here is that you can use a bank's money to buy a property, charge tenants enough rent to cover the mortgage and expenses, and pocket the difference as profit, all while the property itself appreciates in value over time. Now, I know what you are thinking. I cannot afford to buy a property. And maybe right now that is true. But consider the entry points that most people overlook. House hacking is where you buy a small multi-unit property, live in one unit, and rent the others to cover your mortgage, effectively living for free while building equity and generating income simultaneously. Short-term rentals through platforms like Airbnb allow you to rent a spare room or a property on flexible terms, often earning 2 to 3 times more per month than a traditional long-term tenant. Real estate investment trusts, known as REITs, allow you to invest in real estate through the stock market starting with as little as $10, receiving rental income as dividends without owning a single physical property. The point is that rental income is not reserved for people who already have money. It is a stream that can be started at almost any financial level if you are willing to think creatively. Stream number 6, capital gains. Capital gains income is the profit you earn when you sell an asset for more than you paid for it. You buy something, it increases in value. You sell it. The difference is your capital gain. This applies to stocks, real estate, business equity, cryptocurrency, collectibles, and virtually any asset that can appreciate in value over time. Now, here is the critical detail that most investors overlook, and it costs them thousands of dollars every single year. The length of time you hold an asset before selling it dramatically affects how much tax you pay on the gain. If you sell an asset you have held for less than 12 months, that gain is taxed as ordinary income, potentially at rates as high as 37% depending on your tax bracket. But if you hold that same asset for more than 12 months before selling, it qualifies for long-term capital gains tax rates, which for most people is 15%. For some, it is 0. That single distinction, holding versus selling, can save you an enormous amount of money on every single transaction. Millionaires know this. They think in years, not months, when it comes to their investments. And their tax bills reflect that patience dramatically. Stream number 7, royalty income. And I saved this one for last because in today's digital economy, this stream has become more accessible than at any other point in human history. And most people still have no idea. Royalty income is money paid to you repeatedly for the use of something you created once. You create it one time. You get paid for it indefinitely. Traditionally, this was reserved for musicians, authors, and inventors. You wrote a hit song and collected royalties every time it played on the radio. You wrote a best-selling book and collected royalties on every copy sold. You invented a product and licensed the patent to manufacturers who paid you per unit. But today, the landscape has completely transformed. You can create an online course about something you know, publish it on a platform like Udemy or Teachable, and collect revenue every time someone enrolls, for years, without touching it. You can upload stock photos, illustrations, or video footage and collect licensing fees every time someone downloads them. You can build a brand around your knowledge or personality and license it to other creators or businesses. The common thread across all of these is the same. You invest time and energy once to create something valuable. And that something valuable keeps generating income long after the creation work is done. In a world where a single YouTube video, a single course, or a single digital product can generate income for 10 years without being touched again, Royalty income is the stream that every creator, professional, and knowledge worker should be building right now. Now, let us look at the complete picture. Here is the millionaire income stack. And this is where everything comes together. Millionaires do not build all 7 streams at the same time. Nobody does. They build them in sequence over time, starting with the foundation and progressively adding layers as their capital and knowledge grow. The bottom layer is always earned income. This is your starting point regardless of where you are right now. Get skilled. Get paid well for those skills. Use that income to fund the next layer. The second layer is business income. Take your skills and package them into a system that generates income beyond just your hours. This is where leverage begins. The third and fourth layers, interest and dividend income, are built simultaneously by consistently investing a portion of your earned and business income into financial assets over time. The fifth layer, rental income, typically comes once you have enough capital and credit to enter real estate. This is where real wealth acceleration begins because of the leverage involved. The sixth layer, capital gains, is a natural byproduct of holding appreciating assets patiently over years and decades. And the seventh layer, royalty income, can actually be started at any level and built in parallel with everything else, because it requires time and knowledge, not necessarily capital. The goal is not to have all 7 tomorrow. The goal is to always be building the next one. So where do you actually start? Here's the honest answer. It depends on where you are right now, and that is completely okay. Everyone starts somewhere different. If you are just starting out with little savings, your first move is simple. Maximize what you earn from your current job or skills. Open a high-yield savings account this week and move any existing savings into it. Start investing even small amounts into low-cost index funds that pay dividends, and begin building one side income stream, even if it starts small. One freelance client, one digital product, one monetized skill. If you have some savings and a stable income already, it is time to think bigger. Consider launching a small business or scaling an existing side hustle into a real income stream. Increase your monthly investment contributions. Begin researching real estate options in your market, and start building something you can license or sell repeatedly. If you already have an established income and some assets, your job is to systematize and leverage. Build systems in your business that reduce your required time. Acquire your first or next rental property. Grow your dividend portfolio aggressively, and create a royalty income stream from your expertise. No matter where you are, the next step is always the same. Add one more stream, just one, then the one after that. Let us bring it all together. The 7 income streams every millionaire builds. Stream 1, earned income. Your skills traded for money. The foundation and the fuel for everything else. Stream 2, business income. Systems that generate value beyond your hours, where leverage begins. Stream 3, interest income. Your money deposited and working quietly every single day through high-yield accounts and bonds. Stream 4, dividend income. Owning pieces of profitable companies that share their earnings with you regularly. Stream 5, rental income. Property that generates monthly cash flow while appreciating in value simultaneously. Stream 6, capital gains. Buying assets, holding them patiently, and selling them for significantly more than you paid. Stream 7, royalty income. Creating something once and being paid for it indefinitely. You do not need all 7 tomorrow, you need the next one, whatever that is for you right now. Go build it. Before you go, I want you to do one thing. Drop a comment below right now and tell me which of the 7 income streams you are going to start building first. Or if you already have one running, tell me which one you are adding next. I read every single comment, and I will reply to yours personally. If this video gave you clarity on how millionaires actually build wealth, share it with one person who needs to hear it today. One share from you could completely change someone else's financial trajectory. That is not an exaggeration. Subscribe and hit the bell so you never miss a video. Because next week, we are going even deeper on how to build your first passive income stream from absolute zero, even if you have no money, no audience, and no idea where to start. You will not want to miss that one. This is Kasongo. Go build your next stream, and I will see you in the next one.